Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Many iPhone users wonder if they can install two separate Gmail apps on a single device to keep their work and personal lives completely divided. The short answer is that Apple does not allow you to download the exact same application twice from the App Store. However, there are several effective workarounds that provide the same convenience without needing a second app icon. The most common solution is simply adding multiple accounts directly within the single Gmail app. You can tap your profile picture in the top right corner and select the option to add another account. This allows you to toggle between your different inboxes instantly or view them all at once in a unified view. If you truly want a separate icon on your home screen, you can use the Safari browser method. Open Gmail in Safari, tap the share icon at the bottom, and select Add to Home Screen. This creates a web-based shortcut that functions like a dedicated app and stays separate from your main Gmail application. Another great option is using the built-in iOS Mail app for one account while keeping the Gmail app for the other. This gives you two distinct notification settings and two different interfaces for your mail. You could also try third-party email clients like Outlook or Spark to manage one specific Gmail address. These methods give you the organizational benefits of having two apps without violating the restrictions of the iOS operating system. Using these clever tricks, you can manage your various email addresses with efficiency and keep your digital life organized on your iPhone.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.